Battalion 2, Engine 2, and Ladder 28. High-risk fire alarm at 101 Academy Drive.
Battalion 2 is on scene, 101 Academy Drive with a 6-story assisted living facility. We have smoke showing from the 5th floor window on the Bravo Charlie corner. Alarm confirming this is a working fire. Go ahead and upgrade to second alarm. Engine 2, upon your arrival, connect to the FDC on the Charlie Delta corner. Take your crew and initiate investigation. Ladder 28, upon your arrival, primary.
Engine 2's on scene. We're going to fight the hydrant.
Ladder 28's on scene. Set up on the Alpha Bravo corner.
Tower 27, upon your arrival, make the roof. Assess ventilation needs. Command to Engine 16, start making your way here. Upon your arrival, secure water supply for Engine 2 and have your crew assist Engine 2 with that first line.
Ladder 28 to command with an urgent message.
Ladder 28, go.
Found one victim on the stairwell. Bring him down to the 3rd floor.
Copy that. One victim found. Come to the 3rd floor. 3rd floor now will be our casualty collection point.
Engine 22, I'm going to have you shuttle victims down from the 5th floor to the 3rd floor.
Copy. Move victims from the 5th floor to the 3rd floor.
Tower 27, we're in System 28 with a primary search on the 6th floor.
42 to command. Urgent message.
Urgent message, go.
Got 2 victims on floor 5. Bringing them down to 3 now.
Ladder 24 to search. Floor 4 is clear. Going to 3. All crews, index. We've got water on the fire. Primary is complete on all floors. Stairwell ventilated.